What if you could protect your home, family, and valuables, even when you're thousands of miles away? Today's security cameras are smarter than ever. They can recognize people, vehicles, pets, and even suspicious activity while sending instant alerts directly to your phone. But with so many options available, choosing the right one isn't easy. That's why we've researched and compared the best models to bring you the top 5 best security cameras of 2026 based on image quality, smart features, ease of installation, reliability, and overall value. Whether you're looking for an affordable indoor camera or a premium outdoor security system, there's something here for everyone. You'll find all product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. At number 5, we have Wyze Cam V4. Protecting your home shouldn't require an expensive security system, and the Wyze Cam V4 proves exactly that. Designed for homeowners, renters, and small business owners alike, this compact smart camera combines advanced features with an affordable price, making it one of the best value security cameras available. The first thing you'll notice is its impressive 2.5K Quad HD resolution, which captures crisp, detailed video day and night. Whether you're checking on a package delivery, monitoring your front door, or keeping an eye on pets while you're away, the Wyze Cam V4 delivers clear footage that makes identifying faces and important details much easier than standard full HD cameras. Nighttime security is equally impressive thanks to enhanced color night vision, allowing you to see vivid, full-color images even in low-light conditions. An integrated spotlight automatically illuminates dark areas, while the built-in siren can help discourage unwanted visitors before they become a threat. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. The weather-resistant design makes the Wyze Cam V4 suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you the flexibility to monitor entryways, garages, backyards, living rooms, or nurseries with a single device. Once connected, you can access live video, receive instant motion alerts, and communicate through the built-in two-way audio using the Wyze mobile app from virtually anywhere. Intelligent motion detection helps reduce unnecessary alerts by identifying meaningful activity, while smart home compatibility adds convenient voice control with supported assistance. Next up is the Tapo C460, an excellent wire-free security camera designed for homeowners who want flexibility. The Tapo C460 is built for homeowners who want premium outdoor security without the hassle of complicated wiring. Combining ultra-high-definition video, intelligent AI detection, and long-lasting battery performance, this wireless security camera delivers dependable protection while remaining easy to install and simple to manage. Whether you're safeguarding your front porch, driveway, backyard, or vacation home, the Tapo C460 provides reliable surveillance around the clock. Its standout feature is the stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, which captures exceptional detail that makes it easier to recognize faces, identify vehicles, and monitor important activity around your property. Even when zooming into recorded footage, the camera maintains impressive clarity, helping you see details that lower-resolution cameras might miss. Security doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The Tapo C460 features advanced full-color night vision, producing bright, detailed images in low-light environments. Combined with its powerful image sensor and intelligent processing, you can confidently monitor your property day or night. One of the biggest advantages of the Tapo C460 is its completely wire-free design. The rechargeable battery offers months of operation on a single charge, reducing maintenance while giving you the freedom to place the camera exactly where it's needed. Its weather-resistant construction is designed to withstand rain, snow, heat, and changing outdoor conditions throughout the year. Smart AI detection helps distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets, minimizing false alerts caused by moving trees or passing wildlife. Instant notifications are sent directly to your smartphone, allowing you to respond quickly no matter where you are. Two-way audio also lets you communicate with visitors, delivery drivers, or family members remotely through the Tapo app. Coming in at number 3 is the Google Nest Cam, one of the smartest cameras available for anyone already using the Google ecosystem. The Nest Cam is a smart security camera designed to give homeowners greater peace of mind through advanced AI, reliable performance, and seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Whether you're monitoring your front door, backyard, garage, or indoor living spaces, This camera delivers high-quality video and intelligent alerts that help you stay connected to your home from anywhere. Equipped with 1080p HDR video, the Nest Cam captures clear, balanced footage in a variety of lighting conditions. High dynamic range technology reduces harsh shadows and bright highlights, making it easier to recognize faces, packages, and vehicles throughout the day. Even after sunset, its enhanced night vision provides sharp black and white video, ensuring dependable surveillance around the clock. One of the Nest Cam's biggest strengths is its built-in intelligence. Without requiring additional hardware, the camera can recognize people, animals, and vehicles, sending more meaningful notifications directly to your smartphone through the Google Home app. This helps reduce unnecessary alerts while keeping you informed about important activity around your property. The battery-powered design makes installation simple and flexible. Since no complex wiring is required, you can place the camera where it provides the best coverage, whether outdoors near an entryway or indoors to monitor pets or family members. Its weather-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in changing outdoor conditions. The Nest Cam also stands out for its smart connectivity. It integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and other compatible Google Home devices, allowing you to view live footage using voice commands on supported smart displays. In the event of a temporary Wi-Fi outage, the camera can store a limited amount of recorded footage locally and upload it once the connection is restored, helping ensure important moments aren't missed. Taking second place is the incredibly impressive Reolink Argus 4 Pro. The Reolink Argus 4 Pro is a high-performance wireless security camera designed for homeowners who demand exceptional image quality, expansive coverage, and reliable smart surveillance. Packed with advanced features, this camera is ideal for monitoring driveways, backyards, garages, farms, and large outdoor spaces where capturing every detail matters. Its combination of 4K resolution, intelligent AI detection, and flexible power options makes it one of the most capable outdoor security cameras available. At the heart of the Argus 4 Pro is its stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering incredibly sharp video with outstanding clarity. Whether you're identifying faces, reading license plates, or reviewing recorded footage, the camera captures fine details that lower-resolution models often miss. Its innovative 180-degree ultra-wide field of view significantly reduces blind spots, allowing a single camera to monitor a much larger area than traditional security cameras. The camera also excels after dark. With advanced ColorX full-color night vision, the Argus 4 Pro provides bright, vivid nighttime footage without relying heavily on spotlights. This allows you to monitor your property with impressive clarity, even in challenging low-light conditions. Installation is simple thanks to its completely wire-free design. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance, and for even greater convenience, the camera is compatible with a Reolink solar panel, helping provide continuous power with minimal maintenance. Its durable weatherproof construction ensures dependable operation through rain, snow, heat, and changing outdoor conditions. Smart AI detection accurately distinguishes between people, vehicles, and animals, reducing false alarms caused by wind, rain, or moving trees. Claiming the #1 spot is the SimpliSafe security camera, thanks to its combination of intelligent monitoring, dependable performance, and complete home protection. The SimpliSafe security camera is more than just a surveillance device. It's a key part of a complete home security system designed to keep your family and property safe around the clock. Combining intelligent monitoring, crystal-clear video, and seamless integration with the SimpliSafe ecosystem, this camera delivers dependable protection whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. It's an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a modern security solution that's easy to install and simple to manage. The camera records high-definition video with impressive clarity, allowing you to monitor entrances, driveways, living spaces, and other important areas with confidence. A wide viewing angle helps capture more of your surroundings, while HDR technology improves image quality in challenging lighting conditions by balancing bright sunlight and deep shadows. When daylight fades, the SimpliSafe security camera continues to perform with advanced night vision, providing clear footage even in low-light environments. Whether you're checking for late-night visitors or monitoring outdoor activity, you'll have a reliable view of what's happening around your home. One of its biggest advantages is its AI-powered smart detection. The camera can identify people and distinguish meaningful movement from everyday activity, helping reduce unnecessary alerts. Through the intuitive SimpliSafe mobile app, you'll receive instant notifications, watch live video, review recorded events, and communicate with visitors using the built-in two-way audio feature. For users who want the highest level of protection, the camera integrates seamlessly with SimpliSafe's professional monitoring service. Features like Active Guard outdoor protection allow trained monitoring agents to assess suspicious activity in real time and, when appropriate, help deter intruders before they reach your home. So, which security camera should you buy? No matter your budget or security needs, every camera on today's list offers reliable protection and impressive features that can help keep your home safer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. All of the products featured today are linked in the description below, so you can check current pricing, discounts, and customer reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.